Hello, and welcome to the second week of art. This week, we're going to cover the building blocks of art. They're called the seven art elements. By the end of the week, you should be able to know, identify, and create these seven elements in other people's art and in your own. Um, the seven elements are line, shape, form, value, color, space, and texture. Line is any mark between 2 points. It doesn't have to be a straight line. It could be a curvy line. It could be a broken line. Uh, a line can come in many different types. A shape is a two-dimensional form, like maybe a triangle, a square, a circle, or an amoeba-like blob. Shapes are two-dimensional in art. A form is three dimensional. Three dimensional means that it has length, width, and height. It takes up space in the three dimensional world that we live in instead of a flat piece of paper like maybe a 2D shape like a triangle would. Value is lightness and darkness. Um, Highlight would be an example of one end of sort of the value scale, and shadow would be kind of an example of the other end. And all of the variants in between make up the different values of a color. Color, all the colors, all the hues that you would see in the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are all colors, things of that we refer to as colors. Um, Interestingly, art colors with paint act different than light colors with light, which we'll probably talk about later. Space is the area that something takes up inside of your art. Um, if it's two dimensional, space could be the distance between shapes. If it's three dimensional, it could be the difference between space and forms. In three dimensional art, you'll have a foreground, a midground, or a middle ground, and a background that creates a three dimensional type of space. And the last one is texture. Texture is how a surface feels or how it is shown to feel um, in your art. So these are the seven building blocks. We're going to be talking about them some more, and I'll see you soon.